Hello fellow campers and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a game changer. If you ever wake up in the morning and the camping car smells a bit like the toilets, let me show you a product that I've been using for over a year. Even though I've got a SOG ventilation system fitted to my Cassette, I still use these products. It helps degrade the toilet waste, and it makes it smell really nice inside your toilet, your bathroom. So let's go and have a look. So the product I've been using for this last year is Awaking. It's not King Charles, but it's Awaking. I got these off of Amazon. I'll leave a link below in the description, so you can just pop along there and buy yours. Of course, if you do buy using my link, I might get a little bit of commission, but it's going to cost you no extra. So please use the link and help me grow my channel. The sachets are in plastic and you can touch them. There's no harm to you. Obviously wash your hands afterwards. But all you have to do is take one and drop it into your toilet after you've washed and cleaned it from the last use. Here's a sachet wrapped in its degradable plastic, biodegradable. It'll dissolve. I'll just open up my trap and you will hear the SOG working, taking away the odours, but I still use these. Just drop it in. You heard it thud at the bottom. It's clean, it's empty. So that's in. It's recommended that you put about 1 litre of water in behind to help it dissolve. And voila, there you go. You wake up a nice fresh smell. Seriously, these little guys, these little sachets, make camping in your camping car, motorhome, van, just makes life a little bit more bearable without those bad odours wafting around all the time. So, get yourself some, as I said earlier, use my link, description below, and then I'll get rich. Maybe, maybe not. Happy odorless free camping, my fellow travellers. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget, if you enjoy it, if you're learning something, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye bye fellas. Ciao.